Hello students, today's our topic is real number. Our exercise number 1.2. Our question is check 4 raised to power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number. Now first of all, what is the natural number? Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. These numbers are called the natural number. Now our question is can check 6 raised to power n can end with digit 0. Now if roughly we say we observe that 6 raised to power n when n is equal to 1, then it becomes a 6 raised to power 1. 6 raised to power 1, that means is equal to 6. 6 raised to power 2, when n is equal to take 2, then 6 raised to power 2 is equal to 36. So we observe that this number is always end with the digit 6. So our question is check 6 raised to power n can end with digit 0. Digit 0 means our unit digit number must be 0. That means if we take the number 60, then its unit digit number must be 0. So you have to suppose that let 6 raised to power n can end with digit 0. If 6 raised to power n can end with digit 0, then you can write 6 raised to power n is equal to 10 multiplied by p, where p belongs to natural number. Now here 10 multiplied by p, here we take the number 60, that means 6 multiplied by 10. So here 6 multiplied by 10, here 10, that is this number, and p, here p is the 6th number. So this number is this type of the number. Now here you can factorize this number. 6 can write as 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power n, 10 write as 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by p. Now you observe that 6 raised to power n, yani ki 6 has a factor 3 and 2. So 6 raised to power n has factors 6, 3 and 2. Now here 2 is the factor, but 5 is not the factor of 6 raised to power n. Here 3 multiplied by 2. That means 6 raised to power n has a factor 3 and 2. Now here that number is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by p. Here 2 is the factor, but 5 is not the factor of 6. Here 6 raised to power n has factor 3 and 2, but 5 is not factor of 6 raised to power n. So our supposition is wrong. Supposition is wrong. 6 raised to power n cannot end with digit 0. I think so you must understand. We have to take some other example. Check 4 raised to power n can end with digit 0. 4 of the natural number. We have to suppose that let 4 raised to power n can end with digit 0. Now you can write 4 raised to power n can end with digit 0. Then you can write 4 raised to power n is equal to 10 multiplied by p, where p belongs to natural number. Now 4 raised to power n, factor of 4 are, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power n. Factor of 10 are 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by p. Now 4 has a factor 4 multiplied by 4 has a factor 2 multiplied by 2, and 10 has the factor 5 multiplied by 2. 2 is the factor of 4, but 5 is not the factor of 4, so our supposition is wrong. You can write 4 raised to power n has factor 2 and 2, but 5 is not factor of 4 raised to power n. So our supposition is wrong. Supposition is wrong. 4 raised to power n cannot end with digit 0. I think so. You must understand it. We have to take some other questions. For example, 10 raised to power n. You can take the number 10 raised to power n, 5 raised to power n, 11 raised to power n. So any question you can take and you solve this question by in this way you can solve your result. I think you must be understand. Thank you.